Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
The Jamaica Premier League playoffs gets going today with a doubleheader at Sabina Park, including defending champions Cavalier facing off with Portmore United. Cavalier will start the favourites, having beaten Portmore twice this season, while the other ended in a 1-1 draw. Portmore will enter the contest as the second best defensive team in the league after conceding just 25 goals. That's 4 fewer than Mount Pleasant FA. That match kicks off at 8:30 p.m. Tivoli Gardens and Montego Bay will do battle in the curtain raiser at the same venue at 6 p.m. In 3 meetings this season, Mobay United have beaten Tivoli Gardens 3-1 and 4-2 before losing 2-1 in the last game of the regular season. With that out the way, Tivoli's coach Jerome Wade knows it's now business.
It's 2 legs, so we just have to just get yourself organized, get these players in the right frame of mind, because it's now the playoff. It's not anymore the first, second and third round. We move past that.
For Mobay United's coach Paul Teagat Davis, this is the time for cool heads following Sunday's defeat.
We know what to do. First, we have to just get ourselves, our act together before we can say the Tivoli. It's about us first, see what we have to do to get ourselves back in a good frame of mind. I don't think it's that bad. We lost today, so the players, might be frustrated now, but it is up to us as coaches and management staff. So best you can keep them, like you have a baby now, you just need to nurture them and get them back.
Paris Saint-Germain and Inter Milan will do battle in the UEFA Champions League final after PSG defeated Arsenal 2-1 in their second leg semi-final on Wednesday to advance 3-1 on aggregate. Fabian Ruiz's 27th minute strike and Achraf Hakimi's second goal in the 72nd minute was enough to send PSG to their second ever final. Bukayo Saka pulled one back for the Gunners 4 minutes later. The final will take place on May 31 at the Allianz Arena in Munich, Germany.
And that's the Midday News. I'm Amoy Harriet. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, pleasant viewing.